Hey everybody, we got the pool open. Got that there for the dogs, can't go in. Cooking some steaks and some corn, some onions. Nice steak cooking on the grill. Fresh, right farm grown. Angus. Oh yeah, that's a good meat right there. So, good meat. I didn't use the smoker this morning. This thing here is a godsend. Let me tell you, you set it, you forget it. They don't forget you. Though. Shuts off all by itself. I love that thing. It's a beautiful day here in Vermont. That's right, we're in Vermont. There's the sugar shack. If anybody needs any maple syrup, I got plenty of it. Let me know what you want. Got quarts, pints, half gallons, gallons. I think we're almost out of gallons. We got a few gallons left. Got a lot of quarts. The pool is open. The hay is growing. Needs to be cut down there. Big metal needs to be cut again. Gotta get on that. That's what we're doing today. We're enjoying a Monday in Vermont. Yes! Trump won. Everyone knows that anyways. And we got this fake shit going on. Sorry about the wind. It's always windy today. But there you go. There's Tucker. What are you doing, Tucker? He's laying there. He's growing up. He's over a year old now. You guys probably saw him when he was born. He had a video I did of him being born. So there we go. Right there on the Blackstone. If you don't have a Blackstone, you need to get one of these. Put a nice char on your steak. Ooh, man, that looks good. Look at the juice on that. Folks, you can't get steaks any better. No, sir. Thanks a lot for watching. That's what Louie's been up to. Sorry I ain't been doing many videos. I've been pretty sick here for a little bit. But I'm starting to feel better. Well, maybe we'll get out and get some stuff done. Thanks a lot for watching. Louie, out.